गोवन वार्ता लाईव्हच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबून लेटेस्ट व्हिडिओचं नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा.
गोवा चेंबर्स ऑफ कॉमर्सच्या महिला विभागातर्फे डिजिटल बायला या संकेतस्थळाचं उद्घाटन करण्यात आलं. या संकेतस्थळाच्या माध्यमातून गोव्यातील महिला स्वयंसहाय्य गटांना त्यांची उत्पादनं विकता येणार आहेत. जीसीसीआयच्या महिला विभाग प्रमुख पल्लवी साळगावकर तसंच सुलक्षणा सावंत यांनी महिलांना मार्गदर्शन केलं.
In which we had decided to plan to launch Digital Baila, which is an online marketplace for sellers to sell their goods. So Digital Baila is an online platform which consists of a website which enlists sellers and connects buyers to make their purchases from the sellers. This marketplace which we are inaugurating today is exclusively for self-help groups. Basically, the idea behind this was to connect the self-help groups to the buyers from in Goa and also from across Goa to make informed purchases. So also we are planning in the future to launch one more website which will be for entrepreneurs in general, men and women. Right now we have enlisted some self-help groups on this portal, and Divya Shirodkar of Staff Plus Technologies will in some time take it through it shortly. But this is an ongoing exercise, and in the future we'll be listing more and more self-help groups on this portal. This whole idea was conceptualized by Sudesh Sangelkar, who is an NRI of Goan origin based in the USA, and with whom I have been regularly in touch with. So it was his vision that saw this marketplace taking shape, and the Women's Wing helped him in this noble endeavor. I'm thankful to Deepali Naik, Women and Child Director, and our own Women's Wing member, who has put in a lot of efforts to enlist a lot of self-help groups on this portal. I wish to request all the self-help groups present today to spread the word about this online portal to all your members and help us in marketing this online marketplace in an effective platform to connect buyers and sellers, and especially to promote the products and services of self-help group across Goa.
I hope that together, because as I'm saying that we have to come up with a woman empowerment, but it is not a job of a one or two individual. We all have to get along. Finally, the objective is common, so hence we all have to work together for that one objective, and I hope it will be soon done. And as Divyaji has also said that maybe after 6 months or so we are going to meet again, and we will surely see a growth of Digital Baila. And remember, Digital Baila growth will not be seen just because the team of engineers is there to carry on the work on the website. It will be all because of our cooperation. So when we go back to our places, we have to make this awareness that such kind of a platform is available. We have to get along, get these self-help groups or individual women registered on this particular website, on this particular app, so that they get a bigger marketplace. I really like, because they did not show okay fine, you need to buy the product from Digital Baila. No, you can directly contact the vendor. So this kind of a transparency is being made available. Surely one more thing I will add, and I suppose that is going to add a feather to the kind of initiatives which are taken in Goa as far as women empowerment is concerned. Goa is a very small state, and we have almost 4 lakh population of women staying in the rural areas. Okay, so out of the population we have 4 lakh women in rural area. So we have to see to it that if we come up with this kind of a digital platform, of course now with the online education which is going on, we can't say we have this particular digitalization has reached every house. Okay, we may still say 10% here and there is there, but I feel that even in the rural areas we can go, because at least one house will have that one mobile. So digitization is possible. If we do that, if we are able to achieve this, then Goa is going to be the #1 state in carrying out this particular kind of a digitalization as far as the central groups